The couple what is wrong? You? Let's see, put up a smile. And yes! Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Then life band.
My name is Osita Okebu, and the day we've all been, waiting for, the day where I finally get to begin a lifelong journey with my soulmate, my darling, my angel, the queen of my life, Chichi. Now going to be Chichi Okebu, by the way. It's been a, long trip, till we got here today. It's been 4 years now. We've had our ups and downs, but all in all, I have found my soulmate. The only person who I feel gets me, the only one I feel could, take care of me. She's there to, check me, when I go off, when I procrastinate, which I do a lot. So, and just, the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. The one I feel at peace with. The place I call home.
I get married to my best friend, my brother, my everything. His name is Osita Okebu. He's from Imo State. Nkwere in Imo State. I've known him for 10, 11 years. When I first went to Ghana, he was my senior. In fact, when I first entered my hostel, one man came, one guy came to carry my box for me. In fact, he came with his girlfriend to my room to visit someone. So, he was just, I don't know that I was mesmerized, maybe. But anyways, he kept on talking to me, wanted to know me, wanted to be my friend. But I was just like, who's this one? He was just everywhere. Like, he's a friendly person, so he was just everywhere. And I don't like guys that are everywhere. I like guys that stay. But then, it taught me not to judge a book by its cover. He has a very good heart, he's kind. In fact, he's the sweetest guy I've ever known. Anyways, when I left Ghana, I was supposed to go to the same school for masters in the In fact, when I left Ghana, I kept thinking of him. Meanwhile, I had dated somebody, we had broken up, but then, But anyways, I got a job in Port Harcourt. I was saw again. And to cut the story short, we've been dating for 4 years. And we are here today. So, yeah, that's the story. Hi, baby. I love you very much. I bless God for the day I met you. He makes me, you make me a better person. You make me want to be better every day. You really compliment me. You're really my better half. Like, I don't know if I would have married you. I don't know if I would have married if it wasn't you. You're amazing, you're kind, you have a good heart. My husband has the heart of gold, like he's just amazing, and baby, I pray it stays the same. After 90 years, you must remain the same and not change. So yeah, it's just amazing. We all have our weaknesses, but my man he loves God, he fears God, always willing to pray, always willing to learn new things. He's just kind. He will give you his last one penny. That's the kind of person he is. And it's not about money for me. I know a person like that will never suffer, will never go hungry. So I'm stepping into this marriage with every ounce of joy, knowing that tomorrow, my husband is going to be a billionaire, watch out people, you know, because he's just lovely, you know, and a man like that, God has to bless him, you know. So yeah, we're a power couple, we're going to do great things, and I just pray that God will give us life, good health, and you know, many blessings. He protects me, and that's what I love about him. Nobody can, he must always have my back, no matter how wrong, he will take the fall for me, you know. That's about it, and I bless God for you, baby. I love you.